So today we have launched the Mural project. The skate park launch is a part of Cheadle Arts Festival. We have been lucky enough to be able to work with these young people since the summer to create what you see today, and we're here to celebrate it.
The project began with a call for artists in the summer of 2023, and the young people were involved in putting together that call for artists, the kind of artists that they would like to work with. That call went out and applications came in. We spoke about them, we answered questions, we looked at portfolios of mural artists' work. In the end, Tom Edwards from We Are Culla got the most feedback, and it was fairly clear quite quickly that that was the kind of artist that most of the young people here at the skate park wanted to work with.
This project for me has been about trying to capture the kind of spirit of Staffordshire Moorlands and Cheadle specifically in the artwork that I've reflected on the ramps. I've been working with the young people over the course of a couple of weekends. We've done a few creative workshops. The first one was a bit of a kind of a mark making exercise, spray painting workshop where they could just kind of go a bit crazy with cans really. They don't get that opportunity very often. We kind of started off with a bit of an outline that turned into just a big abstract piece of work. And then we did another workshop where the kids were actually helping paint some of the ramps, just the base coats, the background colours, just to see what goes into the process. It's not all about spray paint, you know, there's a lot of graft that goes into it and rollers and brushes. So they've been helping with that as well.
Well, I was looking a bit tired. I mean, we've done graffiti projects in the past, but it was a long, long time ago. This is a new generation. And they wanted something for themselves, something that they could put their stamp on with their ideas. And it's something they can look back on in years to come and say, I was involved in that and I did this little bit and that was my idea. You know, and that's something they can share with their children, because hopefully it's going to be here for a good decade or more.
One of the keys really for us is to get groups of different ages involved. So this is a fantastic event for the young people to really engage them. The fact that they've been part of it and been creative, and I think probably the best thing is that they've taken ownership of it. I can tell from seeing the kids here today and just watching them around it that they love it. And to me, taking art into people's hearts like that is just brilliant.
I did painting. I felt very good doing it, like to take part in it.
I also think that all of the paintings and the art are going to last a long while.
I painted like the walls or the edges of the skate park.
And I painted the edges of the skate park as well.
It's a good skate park and I'm happy I've got it really near.
I like the colours.
The thing about this project that I love the most, and that certainly as outside we're proud of, is the fact that it was co-created with young people, and that it's owned by young people, and that every stage has been informed by young people, and they are the people who will continue to use this skate park for a long time to come.